Guys, so currently it is 9:37 and I am at the Real Hair Therapist here in Charlotte. I am getting a traditional sew-in with leave out. So yeah, and I did my makeup because I knew I was going to be filming today and I wanted the full look like after I got my sew-in. And like the crazy thing is, y'all, I did my eyeliner, should not have done it, but yeah, so I'm having a full day. I'm getting my hair done first, get my nails done, and I am going to the spa. So I'm going to the Poseidon Spa at the Bohemian Hotel. So yeah, so this is me, and I will see you guys in a moment once my hair is done. Bye.
Only you know what I know. If I bought it, I'ma say in this bitch. Yeah, I hate feeling like I'm ghost. So I'ma say in this bitch. Yeah, yeah. You know I'll put a show for you. I'll do the most. Yeah. I woke up feeling pretty. So I'ma say in this bitch. Yeah, I've got nothing to prove. I had to pardon the internet. With my phone called, I declined it. I couldn't see all the benefits. I was all over the projects. I ain't talking about the streets. I was too busy on my shit. Hadn't seen I in a week. Now that I'm done, I feel precious. Shining just like a little diamond. I'm not too good with the stressors. Pressure might create the problem. Put the drip on a pedestal. Feeling like Scroogey McDuck. On a sleep.
Okay, hi guys. So I just made it to the Grand Bohemian Hotel. That's where I'm getting my spa treatments today. So just giving y'all a glance, valet is here. So I'm about to valet my car because you do have to valet and head in. Outfit of the day. And yeah, so y'all look at my hair. You can't tell me this ain't my shit. You can't tell me this ain't my shit, bro. It looks so good. It looks so good. I love it. She did her motherfucking thing. She did her motherfucking thing, and she did. And she did. Thank you.
Of course. Would you like to participate in our welcome ritual?
Yeah, sure.
So these are compressed towelettes,
Okay.
and this is water with essential oils in it. And what people like to do.
Oh wow, it's so cool.
They like to either wipe their hands or their face with it.
Okay. I'll probably just do my face and something.
Had to wipe off my makeup for my facial. Zero Tenths wouldn't recommend a luxury facial massage and mask massage eyes, just a sheet they put on your face for $30 hard
Bathroom
nitrogen
where your
monoxide
locker
is located. You change into provided robe and slippers. My massage room, my misuse. Precious, very good, and thorough.
Okay guys, so I am done with my massage. As you can see, I couldn't get my eyeliner off, so it's still there, but I am headed to now go get my nails done at Valentino Nail Bar. So yeah, we're going to see how the rest of this day goes. because I still kind of need to get stuff for the snowstorm too. So I'm like gonna do that and then go get stuff for the snowstorm. It shouldn't take that long because I only really have one hand. My other hand is pretty much done. But yeah, I'm just getting a feel. So we're gonna head there. So see y'all soon. Okay guys, so we're back at Valentino Nail Bar to get my nails fixed because too many of them came off. So yeah, let's go. So we are taking these off because I'm doing a different powder, so they had to come off. Guys, so I left Valentino. These are my nails. They came out super cute. And I had bought my own acrylic because I like a certain type of pink that they never have. I just got the twins, some Dave's hot chicken. I'm about to give me some cava because I love me a good cava. And yeah, then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. But basically, after I get my cava, this ends my self-care day, so I feel really rejuvenated and great. So thanks for tuning in. I'll show you guys my cava bowl when I'm done. Okay guys, so just wanted to show you guys my order, my cava order. I'm not gonna eat it in here because I'm at Dave's right now, but I just want y'all to see it. Look at how good that looks. Do you see that? I got feta, onion. Okay guys, so end of the night, putting the groceries in the car. So yeah, don't know what he has on when it's really cold outside, but I'll help him. It's the least I could do, I guess. Not really.